Get ready, tech lovers, because the OnePlus 15 is about to change the smartphone game forever. Imagine a phone that's faster, smarter, and sleeker than anything you've seen before. That's exactly what OnePlus is cooking up. But here's the twist. This device might be hiding a few surprises that even Apple and Samsung should be scared of. So, stay tuned till the end, because what I'm about to reveal will blow your mind. The OnePlus 15 is rumored to launch in March 2025, and it's already making waves with leaks hinting at massive AI integration. OnePlus has gone all in on artificial intelligence this time, from AI-enhanced photography that automatically adjusts lighting and angles, to real-time voice translation and smart battery management that learns your usage habits to extend battery life. It's like your phone finally understands you. The OnePlus 15 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, Qualcomm's next-gen beast built on a 3nm process, promising up to 30% better performance and efficiency compared to the previous generation. That means smoother gaming, faster app launches, and zero lag, even when multitasking between demanding apps. And for gamers, brace yourselves. With the new Adreno GPU, ray tracing and hyper-realistic graphics are now a reality in your hands. Now, let's talk about that display. The OnePlus 15 is expected to come with a 6.8-inch QHD Plus AMOLED LTPO 4.0 panel with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. This means buttery smooth scrolling, deep blacks, and crystal clear brightness even under direct sunlight. Plus, with Corning Gorilla Glass armor protection and HDR10+ support, watching movies or gaming feels immersive and cinematic. On the camera side, OnePlus isn't holding back. The OnePlus 15 is rumored to feature a triple camera setup led by a 50MP Sony LYT-808 main sensor, a 48MP ultra-wide, and a 64MP periscope telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. The front camera is a 32MP AI-powered lens that automatically enhances your selfies in any lighting condition. But here's the part everyone's talking about, the OnePlus 15's new AI photography engine. It doesn't just capture photos, it predicts your shot. It studies the scene, anticipates movement, and clicks at the perfect millisecond for professional-level results, all without you pressing the shutter twice. Battery-wise, this phone packs a 5,500 mAh battery with insane 150W SuperVOOC fast charging, capable of charging from 0 to 100% in just 20 minutes. Imagine plugging it in during breakfast and having a full day's power before you finish your coffee. And yes, it supports 50W wireless charging too. The phone runs on OxygenOS 15 based on Android 15, delivering a smooth, bloat-free experience with improved animations and OnePlus's signature fluidity. The AI integration extends here too. The phone adapts to your routine, predicts your app usage, and even reduces background processes intelligently to save battery. But here's where the suspense kicks in. OnePlus might introduce something never seen before, a transparent back edition with live LED indicators for notifications and charging, rumored to be inspired by Nothing Phone's design, but with a OnePlus twist. Now, that's something that could truly turn heads. As for the launch, OnePlus is expected to unveil this flagship globally in March 2025, with pre-orders opening soon after. The starting price is rumored around $899, which makes it a strong competitor to the Samsung Galaxy S26 and iPhone 16. And here's your surprise for staying till the end. Leaks suggest that OnePlus might secretly include a limited edition variant featuring an exclusive ceramic white finish and an upgraded 1TB storage option, but only for the first few thousand buyers. So, if you've ever wanted to own something rare, this might be your chance. The OnePlus 15 isn't just another smartphone. It's a glimpse into the future of AI-powered mobile technology, and it's coming sooner than you think. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know. Stay tuned, because the future of smartphones is just getting started, and the OnePlus 15 is leading the charge.